Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com. I am so excited for today's video because I am sharing how I organized my handbag collection right behind me. A little backstory, if you're unaware, I had some work done in my apartment in November and December of last year. So I needed to pack up most of my handbag collection and put it in storage while the work was happening and while I was away. And when we got back from New Orleans, I was just so overwhelmed with a lot of things that I knew I couldn't bring my bags over because I didn't have enough time to organize them. But this weekend, it finally happened. I brought my bags over from storage. I'm not gonna lie, I had a little bit of separation anxiety because they were in storage away from me, just blocks away for so long. And just the idea of them being in this dark space in their canvas bags and stuffed into duffel bags and other bags, it was just like causing me a little bit of anxiety. And I also just got tired of looking at my background in the last few videos. I had a few bags in storage, I had a couple of bags out of storage, I had a couple of other random things in my shelves. So I'm just so happy that I was finally able to bring them home and then reorganize over the weekend. So without further ado, here's me reorganizing my handbag collection. this isn't my entire handbag collection. As I've mentioned in previous videos, I am in a purging mood. I got rid of half my clothes. I'm in the process of getting rid of even more clothes and more accessories and shoes. So some of my bags are not here because I am going to photograph them and post them on my Poshmark closet to sell them or sell them directly through Instagram. I've been selling and buying on Poshmark for many, many years, since 2012, I think, and I just love it. It's a great place to find unique pieces, but also unload some things that you don't wear anymore, you never wore, and still has tags attached, or things that you just aren't using and you'd rather give them to a new home, a new owner that will enjoy them. And that's where I am right now. All this back here, it's all going to be photographed and listed in my Poshmark closet. I am at JESSICAYFLORES. If you use my code JESSICAYFLORES to sign up for a Poshmark account, you will automatically get $10 in shopping credits. This video isn't sponsored. I'm just a big fan, big user of Poshmark. And as you can see, I also have some bags hanging off the side. I have other storage things here, so I don't have that on that side, but you'll notice there is my Louis Vuitton backpack. I have my Ivy Park bum bag. I love this bag. It's one of my best purchases, by the way. I also have a Chloe bag that I am selling and is already listed on Poshmark. I also have some very special pieces that I have yet to unbox and share with y'all, but that is coming up, so make sure you stay tuned. Trust me, you're definitely going to want to watch those if you are a luxury handbag enthusiast. And by the way, if you are new here, welcome, bienvenidos. My name is Jessica Flores and I am a lifestyle creator. I create content about fashion, beauty, luxury, family travel, DIY projects, lifestyle, and so much more. So if any of those topics interest you, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell icon next to the subscribe button so you can set up your notifications for all. I make new videos every week, but I don't have a set schedule. So if you have your notifications on, you won't miss a thing. Another big reason for why I have my handbags now all displayed is that one of my big goals for this year is to use my handbags. This isn't a museum, y'all, okay? I can't have thousands of dollars worth of handbags just sitting there. I've made a commitment to myself that if I have bags that I'm not using, that I'm not looking forward to pass down to my daughters, then I need to sell them. So having these bags all out like that means that I can see them constantly, and that'll encourage me to actually use the bags in my collection. And it's been working because I've grabbed bags that I haven't used in months, maybe even years, in the last couple of weeks, so I'm definitely super happy with having them the way that they are right now. Throughout the video, you'll notice that I showed you a couple of special pieces and some products that I'm using for my bags and to organize my bags. I will link to those products down in the description box below, so make sure that you check those out. But if you have any ideas, recommendations for things that I can use to organize my handbags, products that you love and want to share, please let me know in the comment section below. For example, I've been thinking about adding lights. Now let's talk about the shelves themselves. These are Billy Bookcases from IKEA. I got them in white and I added these doors to them because that is where I keep a lot of the skincare and makeup products that I need to store, but I don't necessarily want out and visible. So that is why I added doors. I also added these gold bar handles. I love these gold bar handles. I think it just elevates the look of these simple IKEA Billy Bookcases. I don't have the PAX closet system because this room, although it is spacious, I don't need that much storage, and I feel like having these big bookcases that come out more than the Billy Bookcases would make the room look smaller, and I need to film in here and I need to store things in here. As you can see, I have a clothing rack, I have things that I'm going to be selling, I have computer office supplies in here, so I don't want to make the room feel a little more claustrophobic. So that's why I went with the Billy Bookcases. And also, my collection isn't huge. It's a good collection, don't get me wrong, but I just don't need that much space. And I also feel like if I get bigger bookcases, it'll just make me want to fill in the gaps even more. And I'm trying to make 2025 a little bit of a low buy year, and I'm completely failing at it miserably because I've purchased more bags since the beginning of the year than I have probably in the last 2 years, definitely more than last year. So let me know your thoughts, what you thought about how I am now currently storing my handbags. Feel free to ask any questions, make any requests, or just say hi because you guys know that I love to hear from you. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned.